Hi everyone, this is Martigale again, and today is 13th of April 2022, and we are going to be trading the rise and fall here in this strategy. So we're going to quickly place one trade here. We're going to be scalping. So once we are in profit here, we're going to quickly sell at market. Okay, that's plus 5.19. So we made 5.99% there. So I'm going to explain this strategy to you in a moment. So for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, there's a boat right here. The boat is automated and it trades on binary and deriv.com interface. The boat is just 9.99 USD. You can see some of the results right here. The version 6.5 is out already. It's just 9.99 USD to order the boat. All you have to do is to visit www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng to order the boats. The PIPSREAPER boat as well is a PIPSREAPER boat. The PIPSREAPER boat trades on digits and is also automated. You can see some of the results right here. The boat is just 7.99 USD. To order the boat, visit www.binarypipsreaper.ctytechnologies.com.ng to order the PIPSREAPER boat. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more updates. So here are the links again. Is a link to order the PIPSREAPER boat. We are going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube. So this is a link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boat, and this is a link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account. These are the links to subscribe to our channels. There's the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. Subscribe to all our channels for more strategies. So let's get back to the trading. As stated earlier, we are trading the rise and fall volatility 50 index, and we are using the web trader. So I've logged into the webtrader.binary.com interface. So the first thing you want to do is to open the trade. Go to synthetic indices, you open volatility 50 index. Then you go to the trade type, you click on ups and down, you click on fall right there. Then you set the durations to 5 minutes. Then you enter the payout. Actually, we are not going to be waiting for these 5 minutes to elapse. We are going to be selling at market once we are in profit. So then you go to the chart as well. You open the volatility 50 index chart. So once you open it, go to the time interval there. Make sure you set it to 1 minute. Click on 1 minute. So once you set it to 1 minute, you drag this thing very close. 1 minute. Okay. It has to be 1M. So you drag this very close. You drag it very close. So once you've set all this correctly and you click on fall, so once this thing is dropping down, we're going to be clicking on purchase. Once it's dropping down, you can see it's dropping down there. Let's wait for it to fall a bit. We are watching the last candle there. You can see it has dropped down. Then we quickly click on view. And I'm not be on the sell at market. So once we're in profit there, we're going to sell at market. That's minus 2.9 plus 1.3. I want it to go down a bit again. Once the profit is high a bit, we're going to quickly sell at market. Minus 3.5. Okay, let me take that. Oh, sorry, we clicked on it, so the thing rebounds again. So we're going to do it again. So this is sell price here. We lost minus 10.29% there. So let's trade again. You have to watch this dropping down. Okay, and we click on view. You have to be fast with this thing before it rebounds. Okay, let it drop down a bit. Okay, that's good. Okay, so you can see the reason why we lost the first trade is because the moment we click on sell at market, it went right up again. So you can see this one, we made 10.68 right there. So we're going to go again. So you have to watch this dropping down before we click on purchase. Okay, it has dropped down there. We click on view, then our mouse has to be on the sell at market. So once we are in profit here, you have to be watching this return right there as plus 0.13. So you have to make sure that the profit is a bit above 2 point something, that's 1.43. Okay, we can sell at market there. So we made 3.52 there. So let's go again. So I'm going to increase this to 55, then watch this drop down. Remember, this thing has to be dropping down before we click on purchase. Okay, it's down there, it's down again, so we click on view. Okay, 7, go down with 13. Okay, so you can see there we made 13.73% there. So we can go again. Let's go again. Okay, it's going up, so you have to wait. You are watching the last candle, it has to be going down before you click on purchase. So this is going to be our final trade. Okay, has dropped down there. We click on view. Okay, that's 8.62. So you can go on and on and on. You can go on and on. Just make sure you watch carefully before you click on sell at market. Thanks for watching. Bye.